Hi guys, welcome to Chili Pot Kitchen. My name is Darshini. Today I'm going to share a very interesting recipe. If you love baking with almond flour but don't love how expensive it is at the grocery store, try making it at home. It's cheaper than store-bought options and is ready in just few minutes when you use a food processor or blender. Almond flour and almond meal are popular gluten-free ingredients used in everything from cakes and cookies to meat and vegetables. Almond meal and almond flour are gluten-free, grain-free, vegan, and perfect for keto and paleo diet. The difference between almond flour and almond meal is both are made from the ground almonds, though almond flour and almond meal have two subtle differences that set them apart. Almond meal is nothing but just ground the raw almonds with the skin. Almond flour is typically made from the blanched almonds which have had the skins removed and is ground more finely than the almond meal, which typically still contains the skins and has a more coarse grind. One other way to make almond flour is by using the leftover almond pulp from making the almond milk at home. This is my favorite method. Compared to white all-purpose flour, almond flour is high in protein and monounsaturated fats to help leave you feeling satisfied. Just 1 ounce of almonds has 6 grams of protein and 3.5 grams of fiber. Making an almond meal and almond flour is not only simple, they taste fresher and is usually more cost effective than buying it at the store. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more Instant Pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and Instant Pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday, Friday and Sunday. Please do click the notification bell icon to get an update on my new videos. Let's get started to see how to make an almond meal and almond flour at home. First, let's see how to make almond meal. Making a homemade almond meal is so easy. It requires just one ingredient, blender or food processor and couple of minutes of your time. Simply add raw almonds with skin onto a blender and blend it until a fine powdery flour is achieved. I'm using the Instant Ace Plus blender, just selecting the blender option and speed level to 6. Stop and scrape the sides of the bowl of the food processor or the blender every 10 seconds to make sure that they are ground evenly. Don't blend too much, almond will start losing oil. Your homemade almond meal is ready. Next, let's see how to make almond flour. We need blanched almonds to make almond flour. I'm going to soak the raw almonds in the hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash it before you peel the skin. You will see that once the almonds are soaked in hot water for a few minutes, the skin slips right off when you squeeze them between your fingers. It's so easy to do and takes no time. But one tip I can give you is to not let your almonds dry out. When they are dry, the skin sticks to the almonds again and you can't easily remove it. If this happens, you need to soak the almonds again to loosen the skin. Dry it well before blending the almonds. Add the almonds to the blender and blend it until a fine powdery flour is achieved. Scrape the sides of the bowl of the food processor every 10 seconds to make sure that they are ground evenly. A homemade almond flour is ready. One other way to make almond flour is by using the leftover almond pulp from making almond milk at home. Yes, you heard me right. This is a zero waste method which saves a lot of money to you. I have shared this recipe already in my channel. I have given the recipe link in the description box below. Please do check it. Soak the almonds and remove the skin. Add the 1 cup of soaked and peeled almonds to the blender. Add 4 cups of water. Blend it till you get a thin almond milk. Strain the pulp. Dry the pulp at a warm place or use the oven or air fryer to dehydrate the moisture from the pulp. Once it is dried, add it in a blender and make a fine powder. This is my favorite method. Almond flour from the almond pulp is almost a zero waste method. A homemade almond flour from the almond pulp is ready. Store the almond meal and almond flour in an airtight container in a dark pantry for a month, or better yet in the fridge or freezer for the longest shelf life. Almond flour and meal can keep well for up to 1 year if it is not exposed to heat or moisture. You can easily find the difference by seeing the color of the almond. The almond flour from the pulp is a pure white one. The middle one is the almond meal from the raw almonds. The last one is the almond flour is from the blanched almond. You may be asking why remove the skin off of the almonds to make almond flour. The answer is simple, because using blanched almond flour in baking gives a baked goods a much fluffier and lighter texture. You can bake with regular almond flour, but if you do a comparison, you will notice the different consistency. Do try this freshly made almond flour and almond meal at home. This is low carb flour. If you follow any type of vegan, keto or dairy free diet, this almond flour recipe will save a lot of money by spending it on store-bought one. Now you know how to make an almond milk also. You can also make almond milk by adding almond meal or almond powder to water, mix it well and serve it. You can use this almond powder for baking, to make smoothies, Indian sweets and more. Stay tuned for more recipes using almond flour and almond meal in upcoming weeks. I have used the Instant Ace Plus blender to make an almond powders. The almond powders are ready in less than a minute. Please try to use any high-speed blender or food processor. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.